Now, let's talk about the trading sessions. Now, sa trading sessions, usually, you will see it sa Forex, di ba? Sa foreign exchange market. But, ito kasing trading sessions na to, pwede siyang magamit sa crypto. So, that's also one of the things that you have to, or we have to consider. Now, kung mapapansin nyo rito, Sydney and Tokyo session. Basically, itong dalawang to is what you call the Asian session. And, during this Asian session, ito yung time niya, time slot, sa Philippine time. And, the currencies, ayan, kung makikita nyo, ayan yung open during the session. Diba? Now, next one is the London session, diba? Which happens from 3 p.m. to 12 a.m. And here are the currencies. And then the New York session, which is 8 p.m. Philippine Standard Time up to 5 a.m. and then USD pairs. Now, why do you think this one is important? No? Well, the reason why I put this trading session in this course is simply because you can use these trading sessions for a higher probability trade, 'di ba? Kasi itong sessions na to, it gives a volume sa market. Now, ang may pinakamalaking volume sa market is the London session and the New York session. Right? Especially if mag-overlap yan, yung dalawang yan. Overlap meaning they will open at the same time, 'di ba? So open yan dalawang yan at the same time. So ang overlapping nila would be 8 p.m. to 12 a.m., 'di ba? Ito mag-overlap sila. Now, kapag nag-overlap yan, yung dalawang yan, mostly ng market is magiging volatile, 'di ba? Or talagang malakas yung move sa isang particular direction. Kasi nga, mas maraming market participants, and other than having lots of volume, pwedeng mas mababa yung babayaran yung fees, 'di ba? Kasi nga marami kayong nagsi-share doon sa fees. So, that's what trading session is. So, meron ding mga particular trade na nag-work lang sa particular session or mas mataas yung probability of working sa particular session. That's why you have to understand na trading sessions are important so that you would be able to gauge kung saan pinaka nag-work yung strategies nyo, yung way of analysis nyo, right? Now, here is an example. Although medyo magulo siya, but during this one, nandito yung Asian session, right? And then nag-overlap siya sa London session. And then nandito yung New York open. Nandito yung London close. And then yung New York open tsaka yung London close is nagkaroon siya ng overlap, 'di ba? Although one of the things that you have to remember is that it does not guarantee na just because nagkaroon ng overlapping yung dalawang session doesn't mean na automatically mataas na talaga yung volume, right? Of course, there will be times na hindi ganun yung mangyayari. But most of the time, ganun yung mangyayari, right? Especially this one sa New York. 'Di ba? New York to Asian session. So, nagkaroon siya ng volume dito, surge of volume, then bumagsak din, right? So, you have to gauge which one is working for you, especially the trading session. So, bawat session may kanya-kanyang volume, no? Bali, ang pinakamahinang volume compared sa tatlo is the Asian session, di ba? Simply because the Asian session is not that big compared or in comparison with the two, di ba? So yeah, that's it for the trading session. See you guys sa next video.